Ladies and gentlemen, playoff hockey is here for the LEGO Hockey League. Once that gets set up, we should be all ready to go. This game is Oakland Ohlones versus Saskatoon Blizzard. You are watching LHL Network. Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation of the LEGO Hockey League Season 3 playoffs. Blackhawks Vision here, and today we have the Oakland Ohlones against the Saskatoon Blizzard here. There's the scoreboard all ready to go. You can see, do you see something in the boards? Yeah, custom boards, customly made for the playoffs. It's supposed to say 2018 LHL playoffs. Chicago, St. Paul, Detroit, St. Louis, Rosemont, Cleveland. However, there's this one section in the boards that stands out from the rest. It says, score the goals, win the games, take the trophy. The trophy is the LHL Cup. That is the new slogan of the LHL playoffs. Score the goals, win the games, take the trophy. There'll be a nothing in the description, so thank you for joining. And I even made it so the boards stay on, the doors, and it actually opens and closes with its designated board on it. See? See, look. The boards stay intact. This one too. All of them. Let's do the big door for Pete's sake. Big door. You can't even see it. I'll turn like that so you guys can see it. I'll zoom in on it. So I'll zoom in on the door. And see? Same thing. Right, switch back. Now let's switch back. Alright, enough fooling around. Let's do the opening show. First LHL playoff game. Oh, not much light change. It's actually daytime right now. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow. Wait, wrong line. Blizzard warning. Do do do. Woo! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm staying in my room. Time on the ice. We're all united. We're all divided. Stay together through the legs. And then forever. 'Cause together we are Los Angeles. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your 4-seed Saskatoon Blizzard. Starting at left wing, Andrew Agazino. Starting at right wing, Paul Thompson. Starting at center, Nicholas Wade Megan. Starting at net, Jake Allen. Now please welcome the visiting team, the Oakland Ohlones. Woo. There you have it, everybody. Your Season 3 Saskatoon Blizzard and the Oakland Ohlones. 'Cause together we are Saskatoon. An edited version there. So everybody, we are just about ready to get underway. Pat Cannoni, this is his last game of his suspension. Here, I gotta fix the boards over here real fast. I'll just leave it. This is the last game of Pat Cannoni's suspension. So we are ready to get started. Here we go. Underway in playoff hockey. Megan wins the draw. I guess they're over to Thompson. He'll shoot one. Save Bennington. Shane Doan, cross ice pass to Zetterberg. Back to Doan. Hop ice there to Nicholas Backstrom. He shoots. Went off of uneven ice and out of play. This is a single elimination game. The finals, the championship series is best of 3. Everything else is single game elimination. Here's the drawback. Agazino shoots right away, saved by Bennington. Here's the pass across. Here's Zetterberg. Hit the goalpost. Thompson, he shoots. Tipped wide by Bennington. Now pass up to Shane Doan. He'll shoot one. A save by Jake Allen. Pass up. Here's Thompson. Thompson shoots. Can't get it back. That was Agazino, sorry. Beg your pardon. There's a pass up to Megan. His first action in a while. Save again for Bennington. And now Doan gets a bad shot off. And that one tips off of uneven ice. There's a lot of uneven ice here. Pass. Shooting one. Went wide. Left in period 1. And Doan shoots. Save again for Jake Allen. Now Paul Thompson's going to pass it to Wade Megan. Here's Megan. He shoots. He scores! Wade Megan. First goal of the playoffs. 1-0 Saskatoon. 45 seconds left. Now, no one is moving for Season 4. But people may be moving for Season 5. Now, Zetterberg shoots. Saved by Jake Allen. Now it's back and forth catch between Agazino and Thompson. And it's left for Backstrom. He shot one that didn't go. And now Agazino's going to take it. The pass over. Zetterberg can't get it. Rebound for Tony. Scores. No shutout. Although it doesn't really matter. But I would like one here in the playoffs. But it's not going to happen today. You'll have to wait until Tuesday. Because I'm returning back to the one game every day. One game every other day. Pass across. Shooting save again for Jordan Bennington. And here's the pass. Shooting one. Save again. That didn't go. This is back in. Don't shoots again. Can't get it. Trying to score. He got the shot off too late. He didn't have enough time. 1-1-1. Ding, ding, ding. Jackpot. Yeah. We are back for period 2 of action. Currently a 1-1 tie. Here, the custom boards are actually really working out, except for this one section that's kind of drooping down, like, kind of drooping down. I don't feel like fixing it. Thompson shoots, saves Bennington. Now it's back up for Zetterberg, and he flies out of play, and he's hurt. Henrik Zetterberg is hurt. And he is down, and he is hurt. He's okay. He's cleared to return to the game. He's gonna bring it over. He's a little shaken up. And Thompson, gets up to Megan. He shoots, save again. This is back up from Backstrom. He shoots, save, rebound, put wide of the cage. Now Agazino is gonna take it and shoot. That doesn't go in, and Thompson's gonna reorganize. Now it's a giveaway to Backstrom. He couldn't get it. Rebound for Shane Doan. He had the only goal for Oakland. This is Oakland's second straight game. Shot. Couldn't get it. Doan. Pass across. Zetterberg. He has it a little shaken up. And he is, because it's a save by Jake Allen. Agazino flies over the puck. Gives it over to Thompson. He shoots. He scores! Paul Thompson. 2-1 Blizzard. The face-off back. Ohlones have it. Zetterberg. Save again. Now Thompson's got it. It's a pass over to Megan. No. Gets it. Agazino. He put it wide. Rebound try that didn't go. 2 saves in a row for Jordan Bennington. That's a nice pass up. Here's Paul Thompson. Shooting. Couldn't get it. Now nice pass up. He shoots. He scores! Agazino. 3-1. And Bennington's having a rough game. No jackpots for me after the second period. Thompson shoots, can't get it. This is 2 in a row, and it's back. Agazino blocked by Nicholas Backstrom, and he shoots and he scores. 3-2. Ding, 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 ding. He shoots one that couldn't get it. Thompson was stopped by Bennington. Now Zetterberg put wide by Jake Allen. He's got it back in the touch zone. Agazino. Save again for Jordan Bennington. Now a nice shot stopped by Jake Allen. He faked the pass to Thompson, gave it to Megan instead. Now he gave it back to Megan. Scores! 4-2. We have a high-scoring game. Again, first time in a while. 13 seconds left. Shooting, couldn't get it. It's in their own goal. Deflected off of Backstrom and in. And that's probably going to be the night for Jordan Bennington. And yeah, it is. Willie Husso is coming in. That's pretty much the night for Jordan Bennington. Wow, 5 goals allowed. 4 of them being in period 2. Now, Willie Husso is warming up in the spot of Jordan Bennington, who's had a rough night. He had a great regular season, but now he's having a rough night. And here's the draw. Thompson shoots, stopped by Husso. This is back in. Here's the shot, can't get it. Rebound, Zetterberg. Thompson shoots, couldn't get it by Husso. And time runs out in period 2. We have a 5-2 game. Oakland and Saskatoon leading. We'll be back. And I forgot to mention we are at the Quicken Loans Arena in Cleveland. We are back for period 3. Saskatoon currently leads Oakland 5-2. So hopefully Oakland can make a comeback with Willie Husso in net. So here we go, about to get back underway. Back underway here, Saskatoon wins. Yet another draw hit on even ice. Thompson gives it away to Zetterberg, can't get it. Rebound, another save for Jake Allen, and another try for Doan, not going to go. Now this is Megan. He shoots, can't get it. Rebound, put wide. Shooting there. Zetterberg! No, it didn't go in. Now Agazino shoots, that didn't go through, and this is back up for Shane Doan. Shooting one, can't get it. Zetterberg again, can't get it through. Agazino, no, rebound for Thompson, not going to go. Wade Megan, put wide. And here's the pass up. Zetterberg, no goal. And this is bouncing into the Saskatoon zone. They get another chance. Agazino, put wide. Shooting there for Doan, can't get it. Rebound, can't get it back. And it's a pass up. Here's Backstrom, last minute of play in regulation. Agazino, crowd's lit up. Zetterberg, can't get it. Rebound, no. This is back in, can't get it by. Rebound tipped wide. Now Zetterberg, tipped, oh. That was tipped out of play by Wade Megan. And now I don't know where the puck went. Went over here somewhere. There it is. Saskatoon about to win this game 5-2. Here's the draw. This is back in. Doan shoots. Couldn't get it. And now this is Thompson. Can't get it. Rebound. Tipped wide. Now a nice pass up. Here's Doan. Giving it over to Nicholas Backstrom. Back to Doan. Back to Backstrom. Shooting it. Tipped wide by Wade Megan. He couldn't get it. No, he flies over the puck. And it's given away to Zetterberg. No goal. I thought that was in. No. Thompson scores on a weak shot. With 11 seconds left. Saskatoon is going to move on to the semifinals. Against either Kansas City or New Orleans. We'll find out in the next game. On Tuesday. Oh, hold on. Yeah. The interruption stops play. We have 7 seconds left. Saskatoon, the fans on their feet. Saskatoon's going to go on. 7 seconds left. Here's the pass across. Agazino going to shoot. Can't do it. Shot against score! Oakland strikes back with 1.6 seconds left. Shane Doan, but it's too late. Here's the pass across. Bob Thompson and the Blizzard are going to move on to the semifinals, where they'll play Saskatoon, or where they'll play Kansas City or New Orleans. Oakland eliminated from the playoffs after Jordan Bennington allowed 4 goals in the second period. And that's the game. That's the end of the Oakland Ohlones season. Now Saskatoon will move on to the next round. Handshakes now. Thank you all for watching this one. We will see you in the next quarterfinal game between the Atlanta Thrashers and Jacksonville Sun. That game will be held at AllState Arena in Rosemont. Thanks for watching. And here's your final.